my dear children, welcome back to English class. I am Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. Children, today we will discuss the question answers from the lesson Kareem's Forest, and we will also discuss the pronunciation and listening activity from our textbook, page number 58 and 59. So first let us discuss the question answers. Comprehension. Say whether these sentences are true or not true. First sentence. Kareem hired several people to plant saplings in the forest. Is it true or not true? Yes, it is not true because Kareem himself planted the saplings in the forest. 2. The forest department provided Kareem with the saplings to plant. Is it true or not true? Yes, it is true statement. Third one. The plants in Kareem's forest did not begin to grow until the third year. Is it true or not true? Yes, it is true statement. Fourth one. Kareem regularly watered and pruned his trees. Is it true or false? Yes, it is not true because Kareem never pruned his trees. What do you mean by pruned? Pruned means cut away dead leaves or branches. He never do that. So children, find out whether the next two statements are true or not true. The answer key will be given in the Google Classroom. Okay. Now let's discuss the question and answers from the textbook, page number 56. Answer in detail. Question number 1. What difficulties did Kareem face during the first couple of years of planting the groves? Answer. During the first 2 years, Kareem faced many difficulties. First, he had to bring water from a well about 2 kilometers away. Then, the saplings failed to survive even Kareem watered them regularly. As we know, there was not enough water in that forest. So that he had to bring water from a well which is 2 kilometers away from the forest. So he tied water pots in his motorcycle and every day he watered the plants. And the saplings failed to survive. Even Kareem watered them regularly. The young plants, saplings means young plants. The young plants didn't survive, even Kareem watered them regularly. So these are the difficulties Kareem faced. Let's read the question and answer once more. What difficulties did Kareem face during the first couple of years of planting the groves? Answer. During the first 2 years, Kareem faced many difficulties. First, he had to bring water from a well about 2 kilometers away. Then the saplings failed to survive even Kareem watered them regularly. Question number 2. You must be crazy, they said. They weren't the only ones who thought that Kareem had gone mad. Question A. Who are they in these lines? So these are some dialogues. So the question is, who are they in these lines? They in these lines are the officials from the forest department. So they in these lines are the officials from the forest department. Question number B. Why did they think Kareem had gone mad? Why did the forest department officials think Kareem had gone mad? Answer. They thought Kareem had gone mad because he wanted to grow an entire forest on a barren rocky hillside. So, why did they think that Kareem had gone mad? Because Kareem wanted to grow an entire forest on a barren rocky hillside. Barren means the land where plants do not grow. So, they thought Kareem is mad. Question number 3. What effect did Kareem's forest have on the surrounding areas? Answer. Kareem's forest had amazing results on the surrounding areas. The temperature became much cooler and the dry wells started overflowing with water even during summer. So the question is, what effect did Kareem's forest have on the surrounding areas? When Kareem planted this forest, a lot of changes happened inside the forest and also outside the forest. The temperature inside the forest became much cooler than before. And in the neighboring villages, the wells, which used to be dry throughout the year, started overflowing with water even during summer. So these are some changes or effects Karim's forest have done on the surrounding areas. Let's read the question and answer once more. What effect did Karim's forest have on the surrounding areas? Karim's forest had amazing results on the surrounding areas. The temperature became much cooler and the dry wells started overflowing with water even during summer. Question number 4. What does Karim hope to achieve with his story? Answer. Karim hopes that when children hear about his story, they learn how one person can make such a difference. They will also understand the importance of protecting nature and will work towards it. The question is, what does Karim hope to achieve with this story? So, Karim hopes some changes in the society, especially in between children. Okay, so Karim hopes that when children like you hear about a story, children will learn how one person can make such a difference like Karim. Okay, then he says children will also understand the importance of protecting nature and will work towards it. So Karim shows how we can work towards to protect nature. So Karim hopes when children hear about a story, they will also understand how to protect nature and how we can work for it. Okay, I'll read the question answer once more. What does Karim hope to achieve with his story? Karim hopes that when children hear about a story, they learn how one person can make such a difference. They will also understand the importance of protecting nature and will work towards it. Children, now let's do the pronunciation session from your textbook, page number 58.
Pronunciation. A. Listen and repeat these words. Thin. Think. Tank. Thick. Through. Nothing. B. Listen and repeat these words. Den. The. There. Mother. Bother. There. See. Listen and repeat these groups of words. The thin man. Thank you. Think it through. Through thick and thin. There is nothing there. Their mother.
Now let's do the listening activity from your textbook, page number 59.
Listening. Listen and circle all 8 trees mentioned in the poem. The oak is called the king of trees. The aspen quivers in the breeze. The poplar grows up straight and tall. The peach tree spreads along the wall. The sycamore gives pleasant shade. The willow droops in watery glade. The fir tree useful in timber gives. The beech amid the forest lives.
Children, do the pronunciation and listening activity from your textbook and also write the question answers in your notebook and study well. Okay, we'll meet next day. Until then, take care and bye.